Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a great opportunity to have your very own garage, shop, boat storage with 2.65 acres consisting of 2 lots on Pam Street. Why pay boat storage when you can own this? The garage is 1,200 square feet, 30x40, cement block construction with cement slab floor, with a high ceiling, electrical installed, metal roof, roll-up door. Plenty of room for your lake toys. There is an additional lot that is ideal for a lake home. Pam Street is located close to Lake Wedowee. From Wedowee